What do you see, Richard?
It's got quartz crystals. So it's got a lot of crystal in it.
So that is the vein where we found the
That's weird
summer.
where the wall is, isn't it?
Huh?
That wall's just completely
Smooth. It's smooth, yeah. I'm taking a sample, so I'm gonna take it home and crush it. Run it over the shaker table, see what's in it.
Go on.
But Leah, leave it alone. Come on. Let me look at that vein with the camera so our viewers can see that. That's pretty good looking stuff, no?
Yeah, it looks great.
The vein, and it goes down though, so we're just gonna take a few buckets and load it. I'll crush it at home and we'll see. So yeah, okay, so nice vein though. Alright, it's beautiful morning. Frost everywhere. It's winter. No snow though. Well, that's overlook on our property. Anything you see, that's the property though. Wherever you can see, it's part of the property. So it's pretty big. And we're just playing today. I got a cabin fever, so I had to go up in the mountains. That's our road down. And well, we'll see. But it's just okay. That's it. It's gonna be too heavy for me to carry down. All right.
Yeah, it's good looking ore.
It is.
Good looking.
Let's see.
Yeah. It looks good.
Good, and we'll see. We will see after I crush it though. So.
Yeah, I think it's going to be good.
Alright.
Yeah.